Hello, I'm Paul Hartley. I'm the project manager for ECO and the construction site of the AD plant and food barn. This is the next update in the progress. Last time you saw us, we were piling around this area here, which is now the food pit, and we were pouring concrete bases for the feed barn. In that time, we've now built the building, as you can see, which is about 30 meters by 40 meters, 50 meters high. It's at height so that we can tip up Arctic trailers within here without hitting the roof. We've also dug out the feed pit. So the feed pit is all piled all the way around, stop the sides coming in, stop all the groundwater ingressing. We've now dug it out and we're about to pour the base and the walls, and that will then house a large hopper where all the food waste gets tipped up, and then that then gets pumped off into the new AD plant to feed the digesters. So after the food waste comes out of the food barn, it then comes into the AD plant here. It goes into buffer tanks, and then it's then pumped into the digesters behind us. That's digester number 1, digester number 2. That digester 1 is currently full of digestate, and we're slowly starting to ramp up the feed profile now. So that is now producing gas, which is currently being flared, but we're just building it up to the right quality, ready for the to be able to export it into the gas main.